All right, so I know I haven't made any videos in a while. Been busy, like I always say. I got the same excuse every single time, but today's actually, it'll be interesting. I'm actually going to go pick up another Mustang. So grabbing all my stuff I need for my trailer, and I'm headed to go I'm headed to go pick it up right now. So we got our trailer all hooked up, and it's another coupe. It's a little bit raggedy from what I see in the pictures, but it's the exact same year of what I have. It's a 93, and I have a ton of parts. The trailer. I have a ton of parts that will fit it. So it looks a little raggedy, but like I said, it's not very expensive. Coupes are getting crazy expensive right now. So it's a 4-cylinder, and the guy's asking $2 grand. So I didn't really try to haggle on the price, because I think that's actually a pretty good price for what coupes are going for. I think that's a pretty good price for what coupes have been going for. So yeah, it's got 5-lug swap and everything, and but yeah, it should take me about an hour to get down there to get it. And when I get down there, we'll check back in and we'll take a look at it, and I'll kind of video it a little bit. I don't know how much I'm going to video of the seller or not. I probably won't do that. I'll probably just a little bit of video of the car. So all right, we'll check you down there. All right, so we picked it up, and it looked just like it did in the pictures. So, and the VIN matched the title. So we have another Foxbody. So I don't know if you can see it on the trailer. Yeah, so it runs. It's a 4-cylinder. I was able to drive it up onto the trailer. I mean, for $2,000 these days, you know, and it doesn't have any rust. I checked it over. The shock towers are good. No rust. You know, it's a 4-cylinder that runs. So, you know, you can't get much more than that these days. So what we'll do is we'll get it home, and we'll go over it really quick. That's going to be pretty much this video, just a short little video. And then we'll talk about I could talk about it now actually, what the plan is for the car. So we're going to do a pushrod V8. We're going to do a 302 or like maybe a 351, probably a 302, because I don't want to get a bigger hood for it. So hopefully that, you know, I know I have a lot of subscribers that are from, you know, the 1J swap, but hopefully this will keep some of the purists on my side and not being so upset with me. So but yeah, we want to do it's already got the 5-speed pedals and all that in it. Obviously it's gonna have to be you know, all that's gonna have to be changed. It's got a 5-lug rear end, but it's the 7.5 rear end. So I'm guessing they used like some Ranger axles or something like that. It's got drilled and slotted rotors. I mean, we'll go over it when we get home. I'll go over it in a little more detail, and then we'll talk about what we're gonna do to it. All right, guys. So I got back to my house, or my property in the middle of Florida here, and we're gonna go over the car, just take a look at it really quick, and just check out some of the stuff it has and what it needs. So let me flip the camera around, and we'll take a look at it. It's basically a prior black. You know, I mean, it's got the weather stripping is off of it. It's in the trunk. The trim pieces that are go around the back window, they're in the trunk as well. The lock doesn't work on the trunk, so it has to use a bungee cord to hold it together. But all the trim panels are all in here. All the blue interior pieces and all that. So this car was originally blue, like I guess Bimini blue or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to look at the title, but As far as like the body goes, it's actually really straight. Um, I don't think there's much body work done to it. Seems pretty solid. No major dents in the panels or anything like that. It's all pretty straight. So yeah, it's basically just like my other car was. 4-cylinder. It actually looks like a really clean 4-cylinder. So this will be coming out, and if I remember right, I sold the 4-cylinder out of my other Mustang for like 300 bucks. So get some of my money back on that. It has SN 95 wheels, or new edge wheels, I think they're called. I'm not sure, but it does have slotted and drilled rotors. They look to be in pretty good condition. Not sure what brakes these are. The brakes are super spongy. They don't really work hardly at all. So missing a couple of the trim pieces here. Disc brakes in the rear too. Okay, like I said, I'm not sure what these came off of. Now this is a 7.5 rear end, which is a 4-cylinder rear end according to him. So I'll have to double check it though, but I do believe that is a 7.5 rear end. You can tell because of the diff cover. It's really shallow. I'm not 100% sure if I'm saying that right or if I'm correct on that. It has dual exhaust, dual tailpipes. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad for what I paid. You know, it obviously needs work, needs a paint job, needs the trim installed. Let's see if I can look inside. All right, so got it off the trailer, and let's take a look at the inside and see what we got going on here. He was working on the windows. I guess the window's not working, so it's probably the motor or regulator or what. I'm not sure, but that's not working. The seats are pretty decent. It's got the tweed seats, so they're in pretty good condition. It has the back seat in the typical 4-cylinder back seat, which I have another one in my building there if I wanted to do that. Yeah, this one's pretty tore up. So, and here is the looks like the latch for the trunk. So, and here's the door panel for this door. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's got some black primer on it. Obviously, the Volvos have blue primer on it. Pretty typical. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys my new project, and hopefully it motivates me to make some more videos, because I've been slacking, you know. It's just that I got so much going on, and I know I make that same excuse, but this will be fun to put a 302 in it, and it's already set up for the, like I said earlier, it's set up with the 5-speed pedals in it, and I mean, it's got some good parts. So for $2,000, it wasn't a bad deal. I mean, I could probably part it out and make way more than that if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that. We got to save Fox bodies, not part them out. So yeah, let me see what I'm going to do to it next, and we'll make the next video, and we'll be back. So hopefully you guys like this little update / picking up a new car video. And yeah, if you guys like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll check you all next time.